So as the owner of Simon's Auto Repair and Simon's Automotive Service Center, I just want to say thank you to all the customers for trusting us with your vehicle. Thank you for taking the time to watch these videos, to learn about our technicians, and to learn about how we do business. I think it's important for the customers to get an inside view of our employees and how we do business and how we conduct ourselves, so you understand what you're getting. At the end of the day, you're not just buying brakes from your car, you're buying your brakes from Simon's, you're buying brakes from our team, and you want to understand that who's doing the job for you and how we're doing it, and to show you that we have experienced technicians and we have the right people for the right job to make sure that you stay safe in on your adventures in your vehicle. Once again, I just want to say thank you to all the customers for taking the time to watch these videos and to trust us to service your vehicle. So thank you very much.
What's going on today, Simon?
What's up, Jay?
What you got going on here?
You got this lovely Range Rover here for a coolant leak. Customer complaint that the low coolant level light came on and it was overheating. So obviously we want to start off with a pressure test, add some coolant, but this one we didn't need to. So top some coolant off and I'll show you really quick. I'll start the vehicle up and look right around this area right here. We're gonna start.
Good.
See it leaking?
Oh yeah.
So yeah, this one was pretty simple to figure out. What we did was we put about 1.5 gallons of antifreeze in it. As soon as we started up, this crossover pipe is cracked right on the top. So with this one, again, because it's such a severe leak, we really can't go much further with it. We have to replace that first. So what we'll do is we'll get that replaced. The parts coming from Land Rover today, should be here shortly actually. We'll get that replaced. We'll do a vacuum bleed on the system. We'll top the coolant back off. We'll do another pressure test after this repair is done to verify we have no other leaks, but unfortunately, we can't do a pressure test for anything else until that gets repaired. It's just such a massive leak, so we'll start with that first. We'll get that replaced, add the factory coolant back in it again. We'll do a vacuum bleed on the system, ensure we have no other leaks. We'll run the vehicle, pressure test it, and if all else checks out, then this guy should be good to go. They shut it down as soon as it started getting hot, so I don't think we're gonna have any head gasket or any issues. Again, once the car starts beginning to start getting hot, we shut it down immediately. You should not have any issues. So yeah, that's what we got going on with this one. So hopefully that's all it is. Again, we're not gonna know 100% if we have any little leaks until that's fixed first, just because that's such a major leak. So once we get that installed, get it tested, hopefully that'll be just the only fix this car needs, and this car will be back on the road today. Backup alarm and a battery.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know if we can do much with this one, but was the customer complaining, Steven? Sulfur smell?
Yeah, smell of sulfur and backup alarm, that's it.
So you guys get these buses in all the time?
Yeah, these buses come in all the time. We probably do one a week at this point. This one here, customer came with a complaint that that backup alarm is cutting out, and it has like a sulfur smell. We couldn't duplicate the sulfur smell. We let the car run for a little bit. Only thing that we did notice is on the actual battery itself, we're leaking some battery acid along this edge here. So again, it could be an older battery. There's no date codes on it or anything. The battery could be older. It could be overcharging. Could have been overcharging. We tested the alternator. Alternator's testing out fine. We could just have a defective battery. The vehicle is 2019. So I mean, you are looking at a 7-year-old battery. So we're gonna put a battery in this one. The second complaint was the backup alarm cuts out. It's a really weak signal. So we tested it. We have good power. We have good ground. After about 3 or 4 beeps, it really dulls down. You can barely hear it. So we just have a backup alarm that failed. So we're gonna replace that as well. We keep them in stock for these buses. We also have the battery in stock. There's a fleet account, so it kind of has to go through a couple hands before we get the okay on it. We have to send it to the company first. Then we have a program that we use. We input all the information and pricing, and and then we have to wait for them to okay it, and then they send it to the actual company. The company has to okay it, and then the company has to send us an email back saying the work was okayed. So it is a little bit of a process getting these things fixed. The communication time from start to finish just takes a while. Even after we set the repair order, finding the problem, it usually like an hour and a half until we get an actual answer of yes, fix it, no, don't fix it. They're usually pretty good. They usually take care of everything the vehicle needs, but again, it's just that time frame that it takes to get the actual okay to fix anything. But yeah, that's the only thing this thing's actually in for today. Those are the concerns, and that's it on this one. This should hopefully be in and out. Get batteries in stock, backup alarms in stock. So as long as you get the okay, this thing should be fixed in the next hour and a half or so.
Driven by quality, trusted by you. Simon's Automotive Service Center, located at 740 Brockton Ave, Abington, Mass. Visit us online or give us a call today at 781-857-2446.